Hello viewers, welcome back. At last episode, we disassembled her. For the next steps, we need to clean and inspect her because we need to know the status and condition. As you can see, she covered with oil, greasy dirt, lust, ice cream, all kind of dirty things that you can imagine. To me, it's nightmare. Let's make my hands dirty. Done. Next, plug some holes. This is Korean big lead tub. We Koreans use it when we make kimchi, also use it as aquarium, bathtub, sailing, water park, extreme winter sports, and transportation. Yes, this is Korean version of Swiss Army knife. Since the day one when I met her, I wanted to know what is this pink stain. It's time to figure it out.
에이 귀찮아 씨. 에이 씨발 쓰지도 않을 건데 씨.
영광을 위해서.
어우 씨.
밖에 핫불은 살짝 차 있는데.
도금된 게 싹 다 벗겨질 거예요. 지지가 않았어.
Four 26 a.m.
There is more. This is the result. This is all for this episode. Next step is concept sketch and design. Ride safe and see you in the next episode.